if a person is constipated or person have pile or hemorrhoid, and you go to the bathroom and you have to hold on. This is the thing for it.
It grows wild. It multiplies itself, and Jamaican has been using this to treat from colds to wounds. But what's the real power behind this plant? The leaf of life, you're gonna find out right now. Jamar family, how you do? Oh, super. This one is super special. I'm back in the hills of Catadupa. Remember Ms Ena? Yes, my friend, I did the sarsaparilla video with her and the papaya leaf. I'm back with her, and today we're gonna delve into this. The queen of herbs, I'm gonna call it. It's a leaf of life. Can't talk about any herbs or herb series without talking about the leaf of life. Today we're gonna delve into it, all its traditional uses and the powerhouse of benefits that it affords. We're gonna share how you can use it and how it can benefit you as well. Stay with me because I have a little bonus for you. Remember Miss Pat? Miss Pat, I did a couple of videos with her, my herbal friend. She joined up with us last minute as well. She's here, so she's gonna come in the picture as well. So you can't afford to miss this one. If you're new here for whatever reason, I'm gonna invite you to join us. I'm on a journey to share the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, all the good stuff about Jamaica. And I'm doing this series on medicinal herbs of Jamaica, and you don't want to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Leaf of Life. And here she is, guys, Ms Ena. Say hi to the world, Ms Ena.
Hello, hello.
And of course,
Yes.
dandelion, more pepper. These are big.
Mm-hmm.
These bird pepper, they're huge. All right, but we're heading over to the Leaf of Life, guys.
Yeah.
Loving here,
Yes.
loving the Catadupa life, guys. This is Ena.
You know this is what? You know this is what?
This is oh, you're trying to get my attention. Yeah, man, I know this. Leaf of Life. Sorry,
No,
search me hard.
search me
Yes,
hard.
man, search me hard.
Yes.
Dandelion, of course.
Dandelion.
Of course. Jamaican dandelion for sure. Let's clear that up. Yes, man. Yes, man. They call it the Christian coffee. You know?
Oh, Lord.
Christian coffee. All right, so here it is, guys. The
Leaf.
leaf of life.
Yes.
The leaves of life.
Uh-huh.
Leaf of life. A nice one here with some smaller ones here. So Ms Ena is gonna tell us what she knows about this. I'm gonna call it the Queen of Bush.
Yes,
here in
because you know that the leaf of life is the original bush from beginning. Like you have cold, you have flu, you have throat. You know, sometimes your throat gets sore because of the cold. Yes, then you'll get the leaf, some fat leaf like this, like maybe 3 leaf or 4 leaf, and then you'd wash them while they're green. And then first time we didn't have maybe blender to blend it or extractor to extract it. So we put it in a clean towel and beat it up, and then you squeeze it out. But now you can extract it now, and you can put it in a blender now, and then you can add a little pinch of salt to it. Right? I'm not telling that it's smooth drinking, but it's worth it.
It's not the
because,
tastiest.
right?
Yeah.
But it's worth it because after you drink it, then you have. If you did have a stuffy throat or your stomach, cold in your stomach, or your stomach didn't clear after you drink it, maybe for around 5 minutes time you begin to get healing from it.
Yes.
Right.
So it's definitely one of them. Even if you don't know any herb, guys,
Yes.
if you don't know anything about bush,
Right.
chances are, certainly if you're from Jamaica or the Caribbean, you will know
The leaf.
you should know leaf of life.
Yes.
It's like the Cersei and the leaf of life. Those probably, and like the fever grass.
Yes.
Those are the ones you
Original.
should know. You
Yes.
should know.
Yes.
All right. And so you're saying this is for cold primarily.
Yes, man.
You-
Primarily for cold, man, and cleaning up your throat, man.
Yes.
Clean off your stomach also.
Uh-huh.
Especially when you had a little salt, just a little pinch of salt in it, yeah, man. And sometimes if your bowels easy to, it could give you a bowel action also.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. All right. So actually, let me use. Ms Ena has one in her hand. So it's jaggedy edge, right? You should know it. It's the size. This one here is probably about 6 inches. It's a bigger leaf. You would say, Ms Ena, right?
Yes.
Right. But in most cases, they're probably like. Well, again, it depends on where you are.
Right. You have small one and you have large one.
Yes.
Yes.
But this is how it looks. And you said the taste is not so hot. Yes. And you say you beat it up. But people use it make tea as well. Use it make tea.
You use it make tea. Yes. It kinda, you see when you beat it up to drink, it kinda have a little steinish taste. Yes. But it's good for you. So you don't watch the taste. You know, you just watch the healing that you get from it. Okay. And then now you see these leaves here, they can dry, you know, but it take time because remember, I have a lot of water, so if you should pick this, wash it and put it to lay down in a cool place. Maybe for 3 weeks, it begin to dry.
Why it feel like it take forever to dry, do you? To me, it feel like it take forever to dry. For me, cause we make them in capsules as well.
Okay, we have dry one. I have dry one at the shop.
You have dry one, but you have to take I normally cut it up to get it to dry easier.
Okay.
Cut it and then put it to dry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you just put it down and leave it for a while.
Just put it down and leave it.
Okay.
And sometimes we turn it. Yes.
We were saying earlier that it grows itself, and this is because right here, these parts. If you take this leaf and put it down, guys, take it and put it down for a while without
water.
Without water, right?
Yes. Yeah. Because you have water in it.
Yeah, it has its own water. These areas here will start to sprout.
Yes.
And you see little life coming from it.
Yes.
So you know, I don't. Every day I look back, I reflect, and I say I respect my foreparents.
Yes.
More and more because of you know when they give these leaves these stuff name.
Yes.
They give them.
Yes, according to
its purpose.
Yes.
Or you know what it does.
Yes.
Or what it looks like.
Yes.
Or where it's from. I know they give it, but a lot of time it's a purpose. But to give it a bush leaf of life speaks volumes about
life.
About the bush too, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, I guess what, guys? I told you I have Miss Pat in the building. Miss Pat is here. Hey, Miss Pat, remember her? Miss Pat, you know she can't come out with a quiz her. She doesn't have so much knowledge. Tell me about. Let me ask you, give her one of them, Miss. Tell me about what you know about this leaf.
You want to get one back for yourself?
Oh, the root. Okay.
Oh, the root.
Yeah, let me get the root.
Oh, pull it from the root.
Hold on. Alright, this is the root of the leaf of life. Alright, you see, for example, if a person is constipated or person have pile or hemorrhoid, and you go to the bathroom and you have to hold on. This is the thing for it. So this can get rid of pile.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so what you do, you wash the root and boil it, drink it on empty stomach every morning. And once you drink it on empty stomach for a period of time, you will get well. And then for me, when you're drinking herbs, you cannot just drink it today or drink it for a week and say, oh, I drink the herb and the thing don't work. For example, the doctor remedy, you might use it and you get a quick thing, but it don't really fix the thing. You understand? But this is a thing that fix it. But you have to drink it for a period of time before you can get your benefit. For example, you drink it for 2-3 months and you can say, yeah, me good now. You know?
Yes.
But
so I didn't know that. So this is new.
Yes.
Well, I told you about this, guys, and I'm pretty sure some of you have probably used it in your own way, for your own purpose. I want to hear from you. I know some of you, it's a community, of course, you know, it's a community here, so we're learning from each other. We're sharing the knowledge. We're talking about the traditional uses of this. I'm going to call it the queen of herbs, the leaf of life. I want to hear from you. Tell me how you use it, what you know about it. Tell me how you use the leaf of life. You say something else, Miss Pat?
Yes, and this also the leaf of life here. It's not only good for cold, but if you have, for example, shorter breath and all of that problem, it is very good for it. And it is excellent for diabetes, and it builds your immune system. And anything that builds the immune system, actually the whole entire body become strong.
Yes.
So this leaf of life, you don't look at it and say, oh, it's just a leaf of life and we walk over it every day. So I don't care about it. But this thing, it's good for type 1, type 2 diabetes. So all you have to do, wash it and beat it up, get the juice. You put some honey in it, you put a little bit of salt, and you can keep it in the fridge, or you can keep it outside of the fridge, and you just take a tablespoon or 2 twice daily.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, that's for those that are connected.
Yes, and it's good for anxiety and stress and all of that. Bass.
So you see, guys, I told you, this is no ordinary herb, and we have these awesome ladies here helping us to share, to explore all its amazing health benefits. So we tell you it's good, and we're talking about the traditional uses of it, but it's backed up by science. I'm going to share a little bit of what it does generally. So Ms Ena talk about the cool, and Ms Pat talk about the root and stuff like that. So what is it about it that makes it special? One of the big benefits of Leaf Alive is that it fights inflammation, and most of us know that inflammation is the biggest culprit for illnesses. In fact, all herbalists will tell you, illnesses and diseases are caused by inflammation in the body. Whether it's inflammation in the head, in the kidney, in the stomach, in the joints, wherever, it's inflammation. And this bad boy here fights inflammation. So if you're dealing with joint pain and swelling, and this can also help calm things down normally or naturally. It's also known, and this is science we're talking about now, it's also known for its antibacterial properties. Means it helps to clean and heal. Right? We talk about that. So cuts, boils, Miss Pat mentioned what do you call it again, Miss Pat? Hemorrhoid, yeah man. Boil and even insect bites. A pile, yes. Even insect bite. You crush it and you rub it on the skin. I was told as well. It's one way to use it again. Another one is, and this is where most of us Jamaicans, this is how most of us use it, right? It's for respiratory relief. So cough and cold, right? Respiratory relief. Asthma, bronchitis, tough chest cold. You boil it, breathing problem, you boil it and sip it in tea, and it helps to clear the airways. Woo!
And you don't have to put it in anything.
Oh, one more thing about the Leaf Alive. Guys, it's good for wounds and skin issues. We mentioned that too, right? Did we?
Yeah.
Yes, so it helps the skin to heal faster. And that's why people like Ms Ena here keep it close to her. Keep it right in the yard, in the backyard. So yeah, it's more than just a regular plant. It's a healer.
Yes.
It's a healer. Tell me how you use it. I wanted to hear from you at testing. I want to hear your experience, how your parents or your 4 parents use it, and how you get familiar with the Leaf Alive. There's so much about this plant. So much about this plant, guys. What questions do you have? Do you have any questions for us? Drop it in the comments right now. I'm sure you do. Come on, put it in the comments, and let me work with Ms Ena. If I don't have all the answers, I'll get Ms Ena or Ms Pat or one of these powerhouse ladies to help get some answers for you. But this is golden. The Leaf Alive. We could not do a herb series without the Leaf of Life. And so I'm going to just big up Ms Ena again and Ms Pat for sharing their local and traditional knowledge of the Leaf Alive. She showed me a whole bunch of other herbs that you have here. That's turmeric.
Yes, this is turmeric.
Turmeric, yeah, but turmeric, she has a lot of herbs here. In fact, I'm going to invite you. There's a video that we did a herb tour with Ms Ena some time ago. There's a link in the description to that video. You need to see it. I think we covered maybe like over 100 herbs in her yard, right here, in her backyard. You need to see that video. All kind of stuff. Seed under down there, leaf, strong back, passion fruit, breadfruit. So you have corn here. dandelion, we talk about crowfoot leaf, all kind of stuff, lime, search me heart, inflammation weed, oregano, dark blood, all of them.
You know this one?
Pennyroyal.
Yes, you have to grow in the bush because if you weed it out, it would die.
Pennyroyal, okay. Yes. Okay, cool.
Very good.
It grow around at the bush.
Yeah,
Pennyroyal.
grow around at the bush.
Ah.
So we have to keep the area.
Yes. Keep
We have peppermint.
Peppermint, yes man. The peppermint, the good old Jamaican peppermint, man. We can't pass it either. And the kind of grow. Ms Ena.
Yeah.
Anybody wants to, for whatever reason, they want to reach you for, in fact, primarily, we're talking about the Leaf Alive. No, but they want to reach you for information on the Leaf Alive or anything else about the Leaf Alive. Can you have it in the market?
Yes,
It's one of the items you have there.
I have the dry one, but if in case they want the green one, maybe to blend or whatever, they have to call me in due time that I can bring it down. I'll be at the market for on Thursday to Saturday. Yes, I'm at the Charles Garden Market, near to the beef market, near to where they sell the coal.
Yes.
All right, there.
And your number?
And my number is 465-5012.
Number is also on screen and also in the description. Guys, Miss Pat, I think Miss Pat wanted to say something else as well.
Not really.
Yeah, man, I'm pretty sure you want that. Not really. Okay, so that's the number, 465, you said?
5012.
5012.
Yes.
So that's it, guys. If you want to get more information on the Leaf Alive, or you want to get some Leaf Alive, in fact, any herb, Ms Ena has all kind of herbs. Ms Ena she's a herb enthusiast like myself. So she has all kind of herbs at the market. I'm gonna invite you to reach out to her and get your Leaf Alive. And one more thing, Ms Ena, it's easy to grow if somebody wants to grow it, huh?
Very easy to grow.
Yeah, so you can just put it down because it grows itself.
You don't have to get the root, you can just get the leaf.
Just get one leaf.
Yes.
Just a fresh leaf.
Yes.
And just put it down.
And put it down, and then eventually you see it start send out to sprout at the cutting here, so and then you can place it even into a flower spot. So if you don't have as much earth at your home, you just get a flower spot.
It's one of them herbs that good to have at home too, you know.
Yes.
A good go-to herb.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Like the pennyroyal.
Yes.
And that's Miss Pat take with the pennyroyal up there. She get fascinated by.
Pregnant, don't drink it, you know.
Oh, she said pregnant, don't drink it. Okay, that's caution. But I tell you, I have a personal testimony on the
leaf of life.
Yes, man, the Leaf Alive, because I tell you, I remember my daughter had cold and all kind of medication she get and it never. No, and it was honest to God, it was a Leaf Alive here that would beat it up with the No, look at her. I think it was a little honey.
Oh.
A little bit of honey we put in there.
Okay.
And it worked like a charm, man.
Yes.
Worked like a charm. She got to school the next day. The Leaf Alive, guys.
Okay, so I get up this root, this piece here.
So this is
all right. So we have sucker here too coming up. Yes. So this is already catch.
So actually, it's a stem of a plant that is actually growing as well.
Yes, it's stem growing. Yes.
So, and any part of it that touch the ground will grow.
Will grow, and it don't have to touch the ground.
Yeah.
You can break this. You know, people always have flowers pot on their office and so.
Yes.
And if you break this and put it in it, even without water, it stay there for a good long time. Yeah. Yes, before it not fade. Yeah. It not fade. And if you put water in it, you know, so you're having a big tree out of it. Yes, probably. Man. So
that's the Leaf Alive.
Yes, man, that's the Leaf Alive. Wonderful plant.
Yes.
See the veins? These veins are veins that are still alive. They never die.
Never die.
See there? They never die.
Life. They have
life in them. Yes, life in them. So even this leaf alone, the moment you take it and you put it down, place it in a little water, put it down like this. Few days you see right around here, so send out roots. Yes, ready to grow.
Make new life.
Yeah, man. New life. Ready to grow.
New life. In fact, guys, I'm gonna ask you now, right now, to put If you learn anything from this video, I'm gonna ask you now to go in the comments and put life right now. L-I-F-E. Put leaf alive. Put life, not leaf alive. Life. Yeah, man. To big up leaf alive in there. Another powerhouse herb.
Yes.
Yes, right now. The leaf of life, guys, and its astounding health benefits. Man, we got Ms Ena again. Give her a thumbs up to me as she goes. But listen, there's another video I need you to see, and the video I did with her prior, the papaya leaf video, you need to see that one. There's a link in the description, and it's in the card above. I need you to see that one. Just before you go, make sure you put life. It's not yet done. Put life in the comments, celebrating the leaf of life, another powerhouse herb. Oh, and make sure you check the description box below. Make sure you check it. Latest and greatest phone contact information is there, and all other amazing resources. Check the description as well. All right, see you in the next one.